Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery. In this key fob here, you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery, like this, 2016, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right here at the bottom, you see a small hole. Now you need to insert the tip of the flat screwdriver right in this hole and twist it a little bit, and this way you can separate this fob into two pieces like this. You need to remove this piece. Now when you remove it, right after that you need to remove this box over here. This one. This is the box that contains the battery. Now when you remove this box and you separate it like this, see, from here to here, separate it, and when you separate this box and you turn it to the side like this, right in the center, you see some plastic like this. Now you need to insert again the tip of the flat screwdriver right in the middle of this box and twist it again a little bit, and you need to separate it into two pieces again. So the whole idea here is just to separate it into two pieces. Alright, now when you separate this box into two pieces, right after that you zero that battery over here. Now take your small flat screwdriver again, insert the tip right here and just push the battery outside from here. Remove the battery. Now when you remove the battery from here, in the same place, just slide your new battery here, slide your new battery, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. This step here is very important. Alright, now when you slide your new battery over here, take these two pieces again, this one and this one. Make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match, and snap them together. And when you snap them together, take this box again. Make sure you return it back in its place over here, like this. Insert the box like this over here. And now take this back piece again, return it back in its place over here, again snap them together, and when you do that, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.